Hi you guys, today I am at Walmart with Joshua, which really he's gonna be kind of bored today because I'm primarily here for the Walmart fashion. So maybe you can be my cameraman.
Or go to the electronics.
Yeah, but this is a video that I have done a few times on my channel that I like to do before the seasons change and just kind of see what fashion things that Walmart has. I was looking online. Ooh, somebody is really bumping. I was looking online and I actually found some really cute pieces. So I wanted to see if my Walmart had them in store.
Listen here, copyright infringement, people.
And then I'm gonna go home and show you how I style all of the pieces that I find today. So hopefully we do find some good things today and hope you guys enjoy coming along shopping. Okay, something I want to show before I get too far into things. Some of these Apple Watch wristbands. Oh my goodness, this one is so cute. Okay, so the gold one, I actually am not wearing my Apple Watch today, but the gold one I have is from here and I always get questions about it, but this like tortoise looking one is adorable too. I'm for sure getting that. I don't see the gold one. Oh yes, here it is. This is the gold one that I have, and I couldn't find it online to link it for you guys, but this is exactly what it looks like. It's $12.88, and I feel like this looks so expensive. I'll put it on later in the video so you guys can see it. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys some of the jewelry here too. I've been wearing this one like every day this summer. This is from Urban Outfitters. I think it might have been around $20 or something. But the beaded necklaces, it's been a trend this summer. I just found these right here. These are bracelets, but still very adorable. $5.88, so a really great price point. I'm sure I'll find some other beaded ones somewhere around the store. But for now, that's all I have found, like for the real colorful ones. These are kind of cute though too. Time and True always has really good things. I actually love this color legging. It's like this brown color. They're $14.98. I've got some of the ABO stuff before and it's really good. They come in this really cool green and a plum, so really fun colors for fall. And there's like a really loud squeaking in here. I have no idea what it is, but it's so loud. And this is really cute. This is Time and True again. This sweater, $16.98, and it's a little bit longer in the back. So perfect to wear with leggings. Okay, I am kind of like really obsessed with these jeans. They have little embroidered butterflies on them. They're $21.50. They're Material Girl. They look like a high-rise. Oh, so some have sunflowers, some have butterflies. Maybe I should try these. I've never tried Walmart jeans before though. And call me crazy, but these carpenter jeans with like the little pocket and like little hammer holder or whatever on the side, these are actually going to be very big for fall. So they have them here, $14.98. These are the No Boundaries. So like I've said, I have not tried out Walmart pants before. So I guess I'm going to today. I've also noticed they have tons of little ribbed basic shirts for only $5.98. I feel like that's an amazing price, so I just grabbed one in white because you can never have too many white t-shirts, but they have some other like fun prints too. Leopard, bunch of other colors. These are all great like fall colors, but $5.98. Oh my goodness. And these are adorable. $14.98, little pleated skirts. I also noticed pleated skirts are totally going to be in for fall. So I found one in red and I'm grabbing that. And are you kidding me right now? I might have just hit the absolute jackpot. This is adorable. Kind of reminds me of the shirt I have on right now. Grabbed it in a small. I think it's really cute. It comes with a skirt. I don't know if I'll wear the skirt. Might just wear the shirt, but $16.96. something about this shirt I like, and I feel like it could be really cute. It would actually probably even be cute like cropped. It actually does have shoulder pads in it, but I think you could just cut them out. It's $9.98, but it kind of reminds me of like one of those shirts that you would get from Revolve or something. Okay, we have some plaid shirts I'm noticing that are coming out. I got a couple of these last year, and I usually always get them in a large, so they're oversized, so you can wear it with like leggings and just throw it on over anything. They have these colors too, $13.98. I'm more drawn to this one. I think that's cute. I just found some more jewelry. This is all, oh, I thought it was all time and true, but it's not. This is No Boundaries, and this really reminds me of like the necklaces I've been wearing this summer, especially this one. So it's $5.88 for the whole pack. Oh my goodness, I think these are really cute. I love this one. The little flowers on it. I think that's so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, $7.88 for all of those earrings. And what's this? Is this a necklace? Yeah, I think that is. Okay, you either like this trend or you hate it. I just think it's fun for summer. Are you kidding me right now? I literally have been looking for a bag exactly like this. I almost pulled the trigger and bought this one that was $80. It was like a really bright green color. This one is more of like a darker green, but green is very, very in right now, and I think it's still gonna be in this fall. These bags are only $14.97. Oh my gosh. Then they have this nude color, a brown color. Oh, I don't know which one to get. They have like, this is kind of more of like a rust color. There's like a red back there. They have a blue. Guys, I will try to link these down below if I can find them online, but this is a very, very popular style bag right now, and it's going to be in the fall too. This is an amazing find, and these down here are a good find too. This is $25, so this one's a little bit bigger than that one up there, but still very cool. I was just looking in the shoes to see if they had anything new. I didn't see anything too new for fall yet. I literally always buy Walmart slippers though. These are actually the ones that I buy every season over and over again for 15 bucks. I'd never seen these before, and I think they're very fun though. $11.98 for those. Alright, I'm back from Walmart. I've already got an outfit on. I'm going to share with you guys a little try-on haul of everything that I picked up. I didn't find a ton, but I feel like the things that I did get are pretty good. I'm going to try everything on for you guys so you can see what it looks like on. I'll show you how I would style these pieces, and if I can find links, I will have links down below. Before I get too far into the clothes though. So this was the Apple Watch band I was talking about. So this is what it looks like, and I just think it does not look cheap. And when I wash my hands, it even gets a little wet sometimes, and it hasn't turned green or anything. So I think this is pretty nice for the $12 or whatever it was. So that's why I grabbed this one as well, this tortoise one. I've actually been kind of wanting one that looked like this, so when I saw this one today, I was very, very excited. But we're gonna start with this outfit. So this right here, I think I might have showed the top and skirt in store. It's a part of a set, but I put the skirt on and I really didn't care for the skirt myself, but I thought the top was very cute, very like 90s sort of inspired. I'm really into the 90s style right now, but love the stripes, the little collar, it's ribbed, really cute. And then these jeans, oh my goodness, these jeans are incredible. I honestly was not expecting them to be so good. So this is what they look like. They're definitely more of like a boyfriend or like dad fit with the wider leg, but I have totally transitioned myself to this type of jean. It's really all I've worn the past year, and especially for shorter girls, I think it's a nice look because I think it kind of elongates your leg too, because the pants go kind of past your shoe a little bit. So I just have it paired with these sneakers I got from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. They're a little bit of a platform. I think they look really cute with these jeans, but these jeans, okay, what was the price? $17.98. I'm shocked. I have to be honest, I'm a little bit of a jean snob. Like, I will spend good money on jeans because I feel like for my body type, I'm a little bit curvier, but I'm also short. It's very hard for me to find jeans that fit the way I like them to fit. So very, very impressed with these. I'm gonna be wearing these all the time. I think they're really, really cute. And the quality, you would never guess that it's Walmart. Like, I definitely feel like the quality is up there. So you guys should totally check these out. Like, I feel like sometimes even on like more affordable denim, the rips are kind of weird or like have weird placement or something, but I feel like these are just so good. So this is pretty much an outfit that I would wear every single day of the week. These are things that I typically wear, just like jeans and a cute little t-shirt or something. Oh, and before I get too far ahead of myself too, you guys know I was obsessed with this bag in the store. I ended up grabbing it in 3 colors because I have a problem. And this green, actually I wasn't even planning for this, matches perfect with the shirt. So how adorable is this little 90s inspired outfit here? I love this. Cute. And I did want to show you guys one more way that I would style the jeans is maybe just with a cropped little sweater. I just wanted to give you guys a little idea because we're going into fall. And I did sort of want this video to be like more fall inspired. But probably with this bag. Like, how cute are we? With this bag, these shoes, these jeans. These are literally the types of things I wear every single day. So this will definitely be an outfit I'm going to be wearing this fall. Love the little bag, which is like a cropped sweater. Oh my goodness. Now I want it to be fall. And just so you guys can see, this is what the skirt looks like. It's basically just a little pencil skirt. So I got it in a small for sizing reference. The set was $16.96. So I just didn't really care for how the skirt looked on me, but you guys might like it. But yeah, love the shirt. And then next I am gonna try on these pants. I think these are called like a, yeah, high-rise carpenter. These are the No Boundaries brand, and they're $14.98. I just wanted you guys to get a nice little view of what they look like before I even put them on. They have these like cute little pockets, and I noticed these are going to be really in style for fall this year. So I was excited to find a pair at Walmart. And if you're wanting to try like trendier things and you don't want to spend a ton of money, I feel like Walmart is just the place to go. All right, next thing I'm trying on is this little ribbed white t-shirt. It actually is a little bit longer. I just kind of tucked it up because if you are a shorter girl like I am, I think it always looks a little bit more flattering when you can see like the top of your pants, your button. It kind of makes your legs look a little bit longer. I just prefer that look myself. So this t-shirt for $5 or whatever it was, very good. I love that it's ribbed, it's stretchy, it's comfy. Honestly, I feel like you can't have enough of these types of t-shirts just to go under things like in the fall, winter, whenever, even in the summer, just to wear. These pants, again, guys, these are so good. I'm not making this stuff up. These pants are adorable. For sizing reference, I got a 3 and everything from Walmart. If you guys end up ordering online or something, like I said, if I can find these things, I'll have them linked down below. I feel like the fit is amazing. Super comfortable, high-waisted, squat-proof. I mean, we're good. This color is really, really cute for fall. And then again, I just have my little high top sneakers on. But yeah, I would, for fall, I would maybe throw like a jean jacket over it. Okay, I think we do this purse and do like a little bit of a monochromatic look here. Let me see what the jean jacket looks like. So we're going very fall and pulling out the jean jacket, and obviously some cute jewelry would help. But yeah, so this is maybe how I would style this outfit. Just really simple and cute, but have our little baguette bag. I think that's what it's called. Or if you don't want to go too matchy, I mean, we have 3 of them. I mean, I guess I could do this. Or even just the pop of green might be sort of fun. Like these fall colors together. You know, the camel and that green. So, okay. She's ready for fall. Last but certainly not least, I've got to say, I'm not keeping this skirt now that I've tried it on. I just don't think it's for me. I've actually seen that this type of skirt is going to be in for fall. So if you are looking for something like this, I don't think I'm going to wear it. And I was just looking in my closet because, well, for those that don't know, we're temporarily staying here. I have all of my other sweaters packed away right now, so I didn't really have a sweater to even show you guys how this outfit would look. I have my little boots from the Nordstrom anniversary sale on, which I think are very cute with the skirt. Or I could do like some little tights or something, but I just don't think this skirt's for me unless I want to wear it for Halloween or something. I don't know. I just don't think it's for me, but I think somebody else could pull it off really cute. But the sweater I actually do think is really good. I just threw it on with this because these are the last 2 things I had to try on for you guys. So this sweater is actually a little bit longer in the back. I got a small, it was $16.98. The quality actually seems really nice, and I think this would be really cute with some leggings and then maybe still wear the boots. So that's probably how I would style the sweater. I'll probably keep the sweater because it's just comfy. And here in Michigan, you can just never have enough sweaters in the winter. Alright guys, so that was everything that I ended up getting from Walmart today. Except of course I ended up getting like dog toys and treats and things like that. But that's everything that I got this time. I think I'll definitely make another trip back. Maybe once they get some more items in for fall and winter. I don't think they had everything out yet, so I'll probably definitely make a trip back if you guys want me to do another one of these types of videos. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys would style any of these pieces, or if you're gonna pick anything up for yourself. Like I said, I will try to have links down below for you if I can find any of these things. I think my absolute favorite were these jeans right here, the No Boundaries jeans. And then the little baguette bags. Those are the 2 things that I think if you're gonna get anything, you should definitely get those. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you really soon in my next one.